Take a look at this example. We want to create an information board. The size of the information board is decided by its contents. But between the text and border, we want to create a consistent gap for better visual effects. How do we do that? Well, first, we create a div and set a border to it. Setting a border requires the border property. You need to set 3 values for the border property: border color, border width, and border style. The most commonly used border styles are solid and dashed. If you need to set a different style to the 4 borders, you can use the border top, border bottom, border left, and border right. But remember, the width of the border is not included in the width and height setting. Therefore, if you create a div and set its width and height to 100 pixels, then you add a 100 pixel wide border to it, the total width and height of the div will be 300 pixels. So now that we've got the border, how do we create the consistent gap? Well, this requires us to learn a new CSS property: padding. Padding is a very useful tool. In the future, you'll be using it a lot. You can think of padding as a forbidden zone. Nothing is allowed to enter. Just like the border, padding is not included in the width and height setting. You can also use padding top, padding bottom, padding left, and padding right to set different sizes to padding. In the future, you'll often need to wrap tags and text inside parent tags. Padding is the best tool for managing the distance between child and parent elements. In the next lesson, we'll learn a new technique called margin. Margin is a distance between the selected element and its neighboring elements. Sometimes you'll find that both margin and padding can get you what you want. In this case, padding is usually a better option than margin. You'll find out why in future lessons.